What is meant by Ashraful Makhlooqat?
Well, you see, the term Ashraful Makhluqat does not occur anywhere in the Quran or in any authentic hadith. It's more of a misnomer, I would say. It's more of a concept that has become very popular, and the Quran does not support it. In fact, in Surah Bani Israel, we find that the Almighty telling us that He created mankind and He gave it superiority to many other species. Any absolute superiority has never been mentioned in the Quran. So it has its origin in the fact that there are certain verses of the Quran. For example, in Surah Atin, it says that mankind went into asfala safilin. They became lowest of the low, and there are people who acted otherwise. So there are certain other verses which subtly at times allude to this fact. But if you analyze this concept as a whole, it is absolutely alien. I mean, there are species who could be much greater. In fact, what I can say is that the Quran does not comment on this. And what the Quran has said in Surah Bani Israel is that mankind has been given superiority as a species over many other. وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ عَلَىٰ كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا, which means that we have given superiority to the Adam's progeny over a lot of species that we have created. And so therefore, regarding Adam to be superior is something of a misnomer, I would say. The second thing that has arisen, the second cause of this concept is that because the angels, so to speak, they prostrated before Adam at the behest of the Almighty. So people think that, well, we are superior to the angels, because the concept is that the angels are the superior most. They are the most favored ones of the Almighty. And if they have been made to prostrate before Adam, so therefore Adam has to be even more superior. Whereas we can see again from this incident of Adam and Satan, which is mentioned at numerous places in the Quran, that basically it was a trial and test for the angels. They were given this order to prostrate before Adam, and the Almighty clearly told us that this is because of the fact that He wanted to test whether in species who are more superior. Of course, they were, as far as their creation was concerned, because they are made from light, and mankind or human beings are made from mud or from clay. So this was a test for them. And it has no significance regarding the fact that mankind was superior or Adam was superior, and hence the angels were told to prostrate before him. It was basically a test for the angels, again signifying the fact that it is basically the order of the Almighty. It is basically submission to the Almighty, which is going to be the real test when we are sent in this world. And where this incident is cited in Surah Baqarah, the Jews of the times of the Prophet, they are told that, look what these angels did. When they saw that the Almighty had given them this directive of submission, they did not see whether Adam was of a lower species, so to speak, or not. They just submitted to the Almighty. So this is the test that you have. If there is a prophet of God who has come from a different species and you regard yourselves to be superior, then this is an entirely misplaced understanding. You have to submit to God. So basically, this is how the Quran presents this.